Alrighty, I want to document this even though I've already documented this before at this particular venue, but this is relevant to where I was at yesterday. And again, I could reference the video because I've already been here at 10:30 in the morning. And this is speaking to what is stalking with the fake sun. And that's how you know, because when I go to Chino and I'm there at 10:30 in the morning, that's how you know it's not the sun that I already documented over me in this same manner at 10:30 in the morning. This is also how you know, because as I arrived here yesterday, I'm documenting the demon-possessed Fontana Police Department who are stalking in this parking lot and the exact same engineered light that's surrounding while you're listening to sirens. That's called criminal summoning. The entity is engaging in monitoring with this demon over here who's stalking in the path. Monitoring with this demon right here, license 8ZNM202, who's crossing path, stalking in the path. Sounding sirens is audible activity, and it is speaking to what is massive facilitation, all right? That is amplification. This demon directed light across that brick wall while they're driving by 7EFW134, okay? I want to be clear, the fake sun is over me as I arrived here hours later yesterday. And my documentation also exists. The fake sun is over me. It's already documented as I've already been here at 10 o'clock in the morning, just like as was the case at Orange Way and Sierra Avenue. That's how you're understanding what is a fake sun. The San Bernardino probation department, they were demonstrating their demon possession. They walked across the street. They walked this direction, then they walked back. They were demons that were pacing, just like you saw Daniel Luna doing today in the busway door. He was pacing. That's a demon. All right, monitoring, in other words. All right, and showing what is a psychopath while they engage in that conduct under that specific environment. The probation department, the Fontana Police Department, he drives out of the parking lot, he goes down there, he drives back up, he turns down here, that's a demon that's pacing. And then the entity goes inside of this venue, which is hostile. This was an act of harassment under the fake sun, which, by the way, was not already present. It followed from what is Chino, California, remaining over me because I don't get here until after 1 p.m. And that's where I show you this is speaking to a pattern of conduct that Daniel Luna is still being documented as engaging in and wanting to engage in harassing one, which is threatening your life. That's a threat to your life, and then you want to engage in some hostility while you're a psychopath stalking with the government. Guess where you go? You go to federal prison for that. Daniel Luna of Omnitrans, all right, speaking to and demonstrating an ongoing pattern, which is indicative of, first of all, that same condition, demon possession, demons that are harassing. You're dealing with Satan. Satan is engaged in criminal conduct through a people. And Satan is present. You are able to identify it through objective observations, evidence that you can submit in a federal court with regard to what is a scientific impossibility as it surrounds you. That's what this documentation is revealing. And demons are hostile to it. They're so hostile. They can be as hostile as they want. Those are demons that are pacing one after another, crossing path, repeatedly crossing path. The same demons that were molesting me with directed light across Casa Barreto, they're stalking. All right. And so I want to be clear, ongoing surveillance inside of Fontana Lewis Library, the entity keeping a fake sun where I'm still in Chino, California yesterday, and I haven't even gotten back on the bus to come back to Ontario, where, by the way, I take Route 66, not Route 61. This is P.O.C. I want you to see what is the maintenance of the fake sun, following to be moving it from the parking lot, and then it's going to be over the roof, as I've already shown you, which is the pattern. That's a pattern of conduct. Stalking with a fake sun. Moving step by step, keeping that light source over me, which is, this is the same property where the entity is keeping a fake sun after 6 o'clock in the evening. That's an impossibility in and of itself, let alone what I'm showing you while the entity is keeping a fake sun over me in an entirely different city and or county, and I'm documenting that for you so you to understand what is the state system that you're subject to. This is the demon stalking in the path. Monitoring with a communication device, indirect light under a fake sun. This is P.O.C. This is my bag, hold on. I'm going to show you the footage. Monitoring with this demon that's stalking in the path. License 8ZJZ574. And here's the fake sun. Let me show you. That's impossible light. The fake sun is over me in Chino, California. Remember that. It's not the sun. It's an impossibility. This is the pattern. These are minions crossing paths. And this is the light source escorting me into the entrance doors, just as you've already seen. It was yesterday in the afternoon, hours later. P.O.C.